guys, what's up? It's your boy Magnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Hold On by H.E.R. Alright, it's a very easy song. We're using 3 basic chords to play this. Make sure your guitar's in standard tuning and we're not using a capo. So let's get right into it, guys. The song is based off of C. And then this is an A sharp or B flat, right? So this is A, this is the B flat, right? So hold on, this is the B chord actually. It's A, B. This is the B chord. And then we go to F. So C. How do you get somewhere comfortable? C, B, F. Alright, so the B chord is basically an A chord in the 3rd fret, and then you bar the 1st fret using string number 5 as your bass. Alright, that's it. And for this song, we're only playing up to string number 3. So that's string 5, 4, 3. Those are the important strings to pluck on B. So for C, we go up to string number 1, and then we play open 1, 3, open 1, 3, and then we go to B. And now we're only plucking up to string number 3, and then we go to F. And for F, we're also plucking to string number 3, but we're using 6 as the bass. So that's 6, 5, 4, 3. So that's pretty much the whole song. For the verse, the chorus, everything, it's the same chords. And for my strumming pattern, I'm using down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So that's down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. How do you get somewhere comfortable? That is the only lyrics I know to the song. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Let me know if there's any other songs that you need me to check out, new songs. Let me know in the comment section below. Otherwise, do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Peace.